Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Now I will show how to add signature on Gmail account. First of all, you log in your Gmail account. When you sometimes sending mail someone, every time you're writing your signature manually. Now I will show how to come in your signature automatically. Click the setting, then go to the setting option, then scroll down. You can see signature, then check the below, then write down your signature or grading as per your. Then scroll down, then click the save change. After complete, then we can check again it's working or not. It's working. You can see I inputting this information here. It's showing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, share and comment. Press the bell icon.